Get in the camera, bro.
Mario, what the fuck?
What's good? What's T? How you doing? It's your girl Mario, back to another video. As y'all see from the title, y'all already know what's going on. I got some copy paper. And we finna go print off. We finna go print off some pictures. What pictures? We finna go, hey son. But we finna go print off some pictures of my friend, and yeah, I'm finna just put them all throughout my car. And if y'all ain't seen the honey pack video, bruh, QB on some, bruh. I don't know what to expect when I do this prank on her, cause QB on some more stuff. I ain't gonna lie. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, heavy on the subscribe. We on the road to 600, man. Let's go. We at a new location, man. We at the library. We gonna open up a new location. I had to go to the library, print some pictures off. I'm currently trying to print something. Yeah, I don't use printers, so this is a little difficult. Finally got these little ass pictures. Alright, y'all. Before I go back to my car, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm kind of upset. For real. Y'all, look how small it print off. And it print off in black and white. It's gonna be funny though. So I got 20 sheets of this. I don't know. I ain't gonna cut it. I was thinking about just cutting this. Just making it be like just this. But I'm gonna leave it like this, and then when I'm on the way to pick her up, all these pictures just gonna be in my car, and we're gonna get a reaction out of her. Cause I don't know how she gonna act, but make sure y'all gotta stay tuned for this, cause I'm excited for this, and I know y'all excited for this. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So this finna really just be me hanging these pictures up of my homegirl, and I'm trying to act fast, cause hey, homegirl a little busy today. And I'm trying to do as many videos as I can with lil' bro. So this just gonna be a little video. I mean, this just gonna be the clip where I'm putting all the pictures up. So yeah. I made it to this part of the video. I need y'all to comment and y'all let me know how y'all think she gonna be at. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all. So if y'all see the pictures, they hung up, bro. These off. This is 2020. But yeah, I think I got like 2 more left, and I really don't know where I want to put these, so I'm just gonna put them anywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna really start back recording when I just pull up on her. And I'm telling y'all, bro, y'all gotta stay tuned. Y'all gotta stay locked in with me, bro. Like, cause this ain't nothing. This just the beginning. It's just the beginning. And we on the road to 600 subs, bro. I appreciate everybody who subscribed, everybody who staying tuned with me and all of that, man. Cause I'm telling y'all, this is not it. This ain't it. But this setup is kind of crazy. How would y'all react if y'all got in the car with y'all homegirl and y'all just seen pictures of yourself in her car? Her car, his car, anybody's car. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put this down, and I'm gonna put this right here. Like I said, I'm gonna start back recording when I get to her house. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm finna pull up. This looks so crazy and delusional, bro. But look, I'm finna pull up to her house, y'all. Y'all know, I don't know why. Like, I've been doing pranks back to back, but every time it's actually time to do the prank, I really be nervous. Like, I don't know why though. I'm in her crib, but I told myself that I was gonna just play like a little song. Like a little, like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm nervous. Watch this. I'm gonna rap. I'm gonna be like you. Like, I adore you so much. Let me put this down. And she here. I mean, she finna come out, y'all. I miss my cocoa, but I can't see so you smile. I love this song, y'all. Yo, I'm so nervous. Like, I gotta piss. Oh, here she go. I gotta restart. Look at her face. Kill my dog. Get in the camera, bro.
Mario, what the fuck?
Bro, get in the car.
Bro,
I got a song.
Mario, ain't no way, cuz. Hey, bro. What the fuck,
Yo.
Mario? I can't even sit down, bro. Hey. Cuz, what?
Gang, get in the car.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Put your backpack in the trunk. Come on, now, stop acting stupid, bro.
And it smell like vinegar in this bitch.
My fault. Oh, you see you? You don't even need the mirror because you right there. I'm gonna put this one on my wheel. Q, what's up, bro?
Why you? Dang, what the fuck is going on? Why you got all these pictures of me like?
Cause like, so you know, like the honey pack video. Like I was just thinking, like, you know,
Thinking what? To put my pictures on your front.
yeah, I like your face. You know, and I keep watching that video over and over again. I'm like, she was really digging the, you know, digging the kid. No.
Yeah, no, I don't. I love you though.
You love me?
Yeah. Nah, I like that.
So how you feel like? How you feel about the pictures?
What, bro?
Wait, sit back. We finna go to the mall. So yeah, I don't know why my homegirl like really confused about her being in my car. Like this shouldn't even like make you think like, why is my pic? No, I mean you always in my car, right?
Yeah, but like, why you gotta be everywhere? Type shit.
Cause I just want to see you everywhere. Like, why I turn my head? Oh, there go Q. I turn my head again. Oh, there go Q. Turn my head again. Oh, here go Q. No. I'm saying like
you kissed the paper cup.
I did.
Why would you?
What?
You know what? Yeah.
You fuck with?
Yeah. I fuck with you.
You do?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like,
Like, maybe I should tattoo somewhere.
girl.
Yes.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
You know, I'm really thinking about what if I just tattoo you right here?
Oh, you know, I'm on some Christian shit like.
What if I put you right here?
Oh.
What if I just put you on my ass?
But I don't be back there, so like, how much?
But you can be. She hung up.
Hell no. Why do you have these pictures?
I just told you, like I feel like you know when I know, but look, when you not around, fool, I be like I miss Q. So now I don't even have to say that because I can keep these in my car and I be like, oh, I miss Q. You get what I'm saying? Like, no, my fault, man. My bad. I thought.
Okay, so it's giving delusional.
Hold on. How's giving delusion like for I be missing you? Like
You got my number. You can call me like you always do. You can text me like you always do.
I'm gonna keep this one really tight. So y'all, I don't know if she fuck with her being in my car, but it's like, why wouldn't you really mess with it? So that means like if
It's
somebody,
me, though. I fuck with it because it's me. But
if somebody else get in my car, they gonna turn around and be like, this wanna be your bitch, and I'm gonna be like, hell yeah.
oh,
No.
we gotta go.
Yeah.
Bet.
So what if I put more pictures in my car and on the outside of my car?
No, you bullshit, man.
What if I? All right, look. Listen to this though. What if I get my car wrapped with a picture of you?
You bullshit.
How?
You bullshit.
So you don't like this? So you pranking? So you really don't fuck with this thing?
Why you got my number? You always call me.
Hold on. Keep these safe now. I ain't gonna lie. But keep talking.
Get this shit off your damn face.
You
You like a damn clown.
What you said?
Y'all scared from one to 10. How stupid do this whole look? Stupid as fuck.
So you want mess with if I put your
No. Not around the car, not outside the car, not inside the car.
What about these? Hold on.
What the fuck you mean what about them? Take them out. What do you mean?
Oh, you just don't want in the front seat, so you fuck with them in the back seat.
Bro, what the
Yeah, they all throughout there. Now what?
No, sir.
So you gonna take them down?
They all gotta go.
You gonna keep them?
Fuck me. If you throw this shit away, what do you mean? What am I keeping it for? What do I need to see me for? I see myself every fucking day. Look in the mirror. Look at my damn self. Every day. Think I want to keep seeing my damn self? What the fuck is wrong with this hoe, y'all? Why you got all these pictures?
I'm sorry, I'm just delusional. I just thought we had a little thing. I'm gonna keep this one. Keep going.
Just because I'm nice. Take it down.